Farmers around the world are increasingly using technology, making them more efficient and environmentally sound, resulting in a greater profitability. Say hello to Farm Mitra, a mobile app where our farmers can find innovative and up-to-date information, techniques and procedures in order to make informed decisions on the go. Farm Mitra will be their first port of call, offering the very latest and accurate information relating to local and national market trends and rates, environmental and weather alerts, crop planting and diagnostics of pests and diseases, locator services for farm utilities and crop insurance servicing. A one-stop shop for all their agricultural requirements in regional language. Here's how it works. Hourly and near-to-update weather forecast, providing better preparation time for sowing, irrigation and harvesting of crops. Timely personalized farm advisory and real-time access to the latest market prices, giving optimum scope to achieve highest yields and returns. Diagnostics and preventive advice relating to pests and diseases affecting specific crops to increase productivity. Locator information to search for seed and soil testing labs, cold storages and fertilizer dealers in vicinity. The app also has built-in alerts to manage risks. Buy crop insurance and perform other functions offered by PMFBY government portal via this app. Farmers can intimate their crop loss for localized claims and check their claim status through this app. Additionally, it provides latest news and updates related to agriculture like scheme and subsidies, news, new technologies, etc. and offers in-app assistance and call support for their queries related to agri-insurance and service. Farm Mitra is not just an app, but also a friend to accompany our farmers in their journey towards building the future of agriculture.